Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I received this comment. We are looking one LCD with more Arduino. When we are using two or more than two Arduinos for workload sharing and we want to connect LCD to any slave Arduino, at that time this configuration will be used. Let's see its connections. Supply pin, VCC pin, VCC, ground of LCD coming to ground, SDA pin, data pin, that is this one, data pin to A4, SCL, clock pin to A5. These three wires will be connected at the end. What is the connection? Ground wire to ground, receiver pin 0 will connect it to 1, transmitter 1 will connect it to 0. In serial communication, receiver of this board will go to transmitter, transmitter of this board will go to receiver, so both will be connected in cross. This left side code, it is master Arduino serial communication transmitter. I made just a counter. You can connect any sensor or any process and then it will be printed on the serial wire. Select Arduino, COM4, upload. The code is uploaded here. Same way for the receiver. This is slave Arduino, serial communication receiver and I2c LCD. Wire.h for I2c communication, then liquid crystal I2c, LCD initialized, check serial communication if available, then it will read serial communication and it will store in string. Then we will display that string on LCD. This is at COM3, upload. Now it is ready to receive code on serial port. Now this is sender, this is receiver, then it will display data here. First connect ground wire here as a signal ground. Its 0 will reach to 1. Receiver to the transmitter and its receiver will go to its transmitter. Now it is displaying data. So in this way we can send sensor value, character, string to the slave and slave will display on the LCD. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.